Well, JPC all set to adopt the report. Remember, we're talking about a crucial meet today, but as far as developments in the parliament are concerned, well, we have been talking about a stormy session that we're expecting today. Let's just listen in fact, to what Chacko has so far said. He's hoping and he's confident of the JPC report coming forward unanimously and being adopted unanimously.
We have with us JPC Chairman PC Chacko here. Sir, today is the crucial JPC meeting. What are your expectations from it?
My expectation is that the JPC will adopt this report because it is a hard labor of 2 years, and the entire committee was cooperating with the chairman, and we were working united together. So we could reach a very good report, and there may be different opinion on the report. We will discuss that in the committee, and finally the committee will adopt the report. I am hopeful about it.
Okay. So the opposition had many problems with it, that you did not call A. Raja, to sort of depose before you. Also, they are all set to reject the report today. What are your thoughts?
I have no idea about that. I do not think that they will plan to reject the report. Nobody will do that, because it was the demand of the opposition, mainly the main opposition party, to constitute a JPC, and the ruling party and the government was not for constituting a JPC because there are other committees to go into that. But the opposition insisted that there should be a JPC, and we all know that one session was lost on that count. Then finally government considered and the JPC was constituted. Now when the JPC comes with a report, those who differ can have a dissenting note, and that is the way it should be handled. I do not think that anybody will say that throw away the JPC report. Those who demanded a JPC will have to see that the JPC report is adopted either unanimously or with the dissenting note. Either way, all the opinions will be reflected. So nobody will take a decision like that. I do not expect that.
So, but the opposition is saying it's a biased report because you have given a clean chit to the Prime Minister, the Finance Minister. You have implicated the NDA government and A. Raja. You've blamed him completely. So they're saying that you are saving the government and sort of putting the blame only on A. Raja. And so they're basically seeking your resignation, sir.
These are all media reports. This has not come in our committee. In the committee, I had 56 sitting sessions, and nobody has ever made a complaint against me, the chairman, like this. So I do not believe on the media reports. I only believe on what is being raised in the committee. So I am hopeful that the members will cooperate with me. Even with all the differences, we will be able to come to a united, agreed conclusion.
So basically, all these criticisms and all these negative, what are being said, you're hopeful that you will get the required vote?
Surely. I am hopeful, and it is not the required number. I want it to be adopted unanimously in the committee. I will try for that.
Thank you. This is Mr. Chacko here, very positive that he will get the required numbers on the JPC report.